Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your girl, plus size Mimi. And what I'm spraying in my hair now is the Design Essential Leave-In Conditioner. And today's video, as you already know, we're going to do a Fingerwave. Now, this Fingerwave session going to be something serious, because baby. But right now, we just parting our hair from the shortest part, from the longest part from my bang. Y'all look how long my hair got. All this was bald a couple of weeks ago. And I did just dye my hair like that same day. I absolutely just dyed my hair. So now we're just going to part it. I'm gonna put our hair in a tight, not a tight bun, but like a tight bun, just because I don't want it to fully dry up on the hair dryer. I don't want the bang to fully dry up on the hair dryer. So there's the back. I'm gonna use our Cantu Silk and Shine. I'm gonna lose like a dime drop just to get that shine. And I'm using this Nairobi. I was happy to use this Nairobi because this hairstylist on TikTok was like, oh yeah, Nairobi is so good, da, 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 da. It's lightweight, it's water based, this and that. I was like, okay, let me use this for my Fingerwave. And baby, me and Nairobi was fighting. Now it is good if you're doing like a wet wrap or like a roller set. It is really good for a roller set. But for these Fingerwaves, let me show you. Look how this, Lord, look at this. So I just combed it out because I did not like it at all. I'm just trying for this Nairobi. It was really watery. Like, it's really water-based. When they say water-based, baby, they mean water-based. Because it was not giving what it was supposed to give for these Fingerwaves. Well, Fingerwaves, you want something that's like, that'll hold on to, so it won't move. Baby, look. It was definitely, I kept putting it on. Because it wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. I'm looking at the camera so I can see what I'm doing. Look at that. No. When you do Fingerwaves, it's really just a C motion, like a swirl. I'm just really trying to get these Fingerwaves with this Nairobi. And it was not giving what it was supposed to give. Y'all, look at my face. I was so upset. I was so upset because Nairobi is not cheap. It's $13.99 just for, the foam thing. So I went and got my handy dandy LottaBody mousse. I didn't get the liquid. I got the mousse. And baby, the Fingerwaves came out a whole lot better than that. Nairobi. I couldn't think. I lost train of thought. But this is with the LottaBody Foam. And so I'm just combing it out, make sure I don't hit that other Fingerwave. Yeah, I can't see the back of my head. So if they coming out crazy, I can't see. All I'm doing is doing it by touch. So I'm just trying to fix it because everything was not. So now I'm fixing what I just saw. So this is what I was doing. So it's a finger, then a slide. Finger, it's like a C direction. And of course, I'm gonna fix the other side. And normally I would do my finger waves in my bathroom, but I did my finger waves in my little office so I can, film it and whatnot. But baby, And the way I do my side, I just brought it in to behind my ear and did my sideburns. Yeah, I was just leaking because of that water-based Nairobi, just leaking. It was not giving what it was supposed to give. Not for my Fingerwave. Now this, I really didn't care for the Fingerwave being perfect because my bang was going to cover it, but I still wanted a little Fingerwave action. Just in case the wind blows and you see my Fingerwave. So this is the finished look. I see that. Yeah, I don't know what that was. I did end up fixing it off camera. So now we're gonna put our now to me, and the way he did it like that. I'm not used to that, and it wouldn't stick. And I tried to push it to my head. It wouldn't stick, so I put another one. I think that's where I messed up at for me smushing my finger waves is that I put too many wrap things on my head, so it wasn't able to form. I just smushed it. But we're gonna fix this, sis. Me and we had a fight. We definitely had a fight. So I just ripped it and cut it, and then, yeah. So this is the finished look. I'm gonna do a little spin around. You see how it's smushed? That's because I did it way too tight. But we're gonna keep it like that for now. I'm gonna come out our bang. We're going to end up blow drying it, but we're going to put out the Design Essential leave-in conditioner. Y'all, that stuff had my hair fluffy and flowing and everything else. And then I put the Nairobi, because I wasn't about to let that mousse go to waste. Nairobi in my bang. And I used some of the Super Shine, the Cantu Super Shine. And then I just blow dried it. Now, I know I should have put a heat protectant, but I ain't have any. I know Twin gonna get me, but I didn't have any heat protected, so we prayed for the best. So now we're gonna part our hair. Some hairstylists start at the crown And then some start at the base of wherever hairstyle is supposed to be. I start at the base. Now, I was trying to do this little technique that Twin did on live. So he flat ironed it and then he put the comb. Baby, I was struggling. And now I know I'm supposed to have that's supposed to be like at least 2 parts. Pray for me. But it definitely had the shine. It definitely had the body that I was going for. And I also have more pictures and videos on Instagram, on my Instagram account at +size_Mimi. And that's for us watching the video. The comb in front of the flat iron definitely helps. I forgot to take the rest of the video, but this is what I recorded. I actually curled it. And when you curl it, you can curl it in the direction of the Fingerwave. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how I did, what I should have done to make my Fingerwaves a lot better than what it came out. Thank you guys for watching.